Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop a pattern in FL Studio 24, step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more FL Studio tips and tricks. Step 1. Alright, let's dive right in. If you don't already have the playlist view open, all you need to do is click this button right here. Now that we've got the playlist view open, you'll see the timeline at the top with all the numbers on it. Each number represents a bar, and this is where we're going to draw our loop. There are two options here. You can either use the Select tool, which is right here, and click to select your loop, or if you have the Draw tool selected, you can simply right-click and it'll switch to the Select tool. From here, just drag along the area where you want your loop to be. Now if I hit play, you'll see that it plays through this loop, and once it reaches the end, it'll go right back to the beginning and start again. Step 2. Now, if you want to focus on a specific part of your track, like hearing just your chords, for example, you can solo that section. To do this, just right-click on this little button right here, and it'll solo that track, so you'll only hear that part playing. Step 3. Once you're done with your loop and you no longer need it, simply deselect it or turn off the loop mode, and it'll stop repeating. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.